Hello everyone. Today's video will show you how to sign up and trade futures on Bitget, one of the world's top cryptocurrency futures exchanges, in an easy and detailed way. Please follow along at your own pace. If you use the registration link in the description below, you'll get a 50% fee discount, 20% cashback, and various bonus rewards. So I highly recommend signing up through that link. First, let's start with the registration. Once you click that link, you'll see the Bitget registration page. For your ID, simply enter your email address or your mobile phone number. When setting your password, make sure it's at least 8 characters long and includes at least one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, a number, and a special character. Next, you will be prompted to input a referral code. In this field, type *3. If you enter *3, you can receive a 50% trading fee discount on Bitget, 20% cashback benefits, along with extra promotional rewards. After filling in all the necessary details, agree to the terms and conditions listed below. Then, press the Create Account button. Following the order indicated by the icons in the top right corner, select the images shown on your screen. Input the verification code that was sent to your email or mobile device. Once completed, your Bitget registration will be successfully finalized. Next, I will guide you through the KYC verification process. To deposit, withdraw, and trade on Bitget, completing KYC verification is mandatory. Since this KYC process includes face verification, we'll continue using a mobile phone. First, please install the Bitget app on your phone. Once the installation is finished, open the app. To access your account, tap the Get Started button. Log in using the account ID you previously created on your PC. Once logged in, tap the Verify button located in the center of the screen to begin KYC verification. A notification will inform you that the verification will be completed within approximately 5 minutes. Tap Verify Now at the bottom of the screen. Start by selecting your nationality. Then choose the country or region where you currently reside. Next, select the type of identification document for identity verification. From the options displayed, choose the ID you possess. I will proceed using a passport. Tap Next. Prepare the selected identification document. Then tap I'm ready. For document capture, select Take a picture. If using a passport, align it within the camera frame and photograph the information page. Next, proceed to facial verification to confirm your identity. Place your face inside the frame and follow the instructions by nodding your head and blinking your eyes as directed. After completing this step, the KYC submission process will be finished. The KYC review is typically finalized within about 1 hour. Shortly afterward, you will receive confirmation that your verification has been approved. Next, I will explain how to enable two-factor authentication. Please return to the Bitget website on your PC. Move your cursor over the profile icon located in the top right corner. Click Security from the menu below. We will activate two-factor authentication using Google Authenticator. Click the Configure button next to Google Authenticator. The setup page for Google Authenticator will then appear. Download the Google Authenticator application from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is downloaded, open it. Tap the plus icon located in the bottom right corner. And select Scan a QR code. Scan the QR code displayed on the Bitget PC screen. Then, in the Google Authenticator app, a 6-digit code labeled Bitget will be generated. Now, enter this 6-digit code into the Google Authenticator code field on the Bitget website. Click Submit to proceed. After this step, Google Authenticator will be successfully enabled, completing the two-factor authentication setup. Second, I will guide you through the process of depositing funds into Bitget. There are several different options available to fund your Bitget account with coins. In this video, I will concentrate on the peer-to-peer trading option, as it does not charge fees and is very simple to use. First, place your mouse over the wallet icon located at the top right corner of the screen. You will then see several wallet categories appear. Here, you will notice that the spot wallet is used for deposits, withdrawals, and spot trading. whereas the futures wallet is designated for futures trading. To start the deposit process, click on Spot. Next, select the Buy Crypto button positioned in the upper right corner. You will now be presented with multiple methods for purchasing coins. Choose peer-to-peer trading. Alternatively, by hovering over the Buy Crypto button in the top left area, you can access the peer-to-peer trading page directly. To begin purchasing coins, first switch to Buy mode. Then select the cryptocurrency you intend to buy. In most situations, USDT is widely used because of its price stability and large trading volume. Enter the amount you would like to purchase. Next, select the fiat currency you will use for payment. After that, choose your preferred payment option. A list of available merchants will then be displayed. Here is an important piece of advice. I suggest choosing merchants with a high number of completed transactions and a strong completion ratio. Select the merchant you prefer to trade with, and press the Buy button. Before proceeding further, carefully read the advertiser's terms and conditions. Some advertisers may request KYC verification. Now input the exact purchase amount once again. And reconfirm your payment method. Then click Buy USDT. The advertiser's payment information will now appear on the screen. Before making the payment, check the chat messages from the advertiser. Review the payment instructions carefully, and complete the transfer. After sending the payment, return to the Bitget page. Click Paid, notify the other party. After a brief waiting period, once the advertiser verifies receipt of the funds, the purchased coins will be deposited into your spot wallet. Third, I will walk you through how to trade futures on Bitget. To start trading futures on Bitget, you must first transfer the coins from your spot wallet to your futures wallet. To move your funds, while you are in the spot account, click the transfer button located in the top right corner. Set the transfer direction from spot to USDT M futures, then select the coin you would like to transfer. Input the amount you want to move. Click Confirm. And the funds will be successfully transferred to your futures wallet. Now, let's proceed to actual futures trading. Place your mouse cursor over the futures menu in the top navigation bar. Click USDT M futures. The futures trading dashboard will then appear. By clicking the button in the upper left corner, you can select the cryptocurrency you want to trade futures for. On the right-hand side, in the Trade section, you will see detailed futures trading options. If you click this button, you can configure the margin mode. Isolated mode means opening a position using only a specific portion of your margin. Cross mode means using your entire available balance as margin. If you are new to futures trading, using isolated mode is generally safer. By clicking the adjacent button, you can modify the leverage level. Leverage can be adjusted up to 150x. Higher leverage can increase potential gains, but it also greatly raises the risk of losses. For beginners, trading with lower leverage is recommended. Below that section, you can choose the order type. A limit order allows you to enter a trade at a specific target price. A market order executes immediately at the current market rate. Here, you can view the amount of margin currently available for use. In this section, you may enter the price and quantity for your order. Finally, by selecting this button, you can determine the direction of your position. If you anticipate the price will increase, choose Open Long. If you expect the price to decline, choose Open Short. After your order has been executed, click the Positions tab at the bottom of the screen. You will then see detailed information about your active position. Here, row shows your current rate of return. The estimated liquidation price shows the price level at which liquidation will occur. If the market reaches that level, your position will be automatically liquidated. The entry price refers to the price at which you opened the position. The mark price reflects the current market reference price. By clicking the pencil icon next to margin, you can increase or decrease your margin amount. If you press the entire TPSL button, you can set both take profit and stop loss levels. Finally, clicking the Close button allows you to exit your position. Enter your preferred limit price in the Close Price field. Then enter the quantity you wish to close in the Close Quantity field. Click Close to exit the position at your specified limit price. If you select Flash Close, the position will be closed immediately at the market price. Click Confirm. Your position will then be successfully closed. Today, we went through the entire process of registering and trading futures on Bitget in a clear and beginner-friendly way. Sign up using the link provided below the video to receive lifetime commission fee discounts. If you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you for watching.